We need to book a hotel for our holiday. Look at this 5-star hotel.
It looks amazing, but it's quite expensive.
Yes, it's a bit pricey. Let's find something more affordable.
How about this one? The rooms look spacious.
I like it. It also has a swimming pool and a gym.
Great. Is breakfast included?
Yes, and there's free Wi-Fi too.
Perfect. It's also close to the city center.
The reviews say the hotel is very clean and comfortable.
Let's book a double room with a sea view.
Good idea. I'll make a reservation now. Wow, this lobby is beautiful.
It's much bigger than I expected.
Look at that reception desk. The staff seem very friendly.
And the hotel looks really modern.
I can see a restaurant over there.
There's also a spa next to it.
Nice. I think that's the fitness center on the second floor.
You're right. And look at that indoor pool.
I can't wait to try it.
The hotel also has a conference room for business guests.
Let's take the lift and see our room.
Good idea. I hope we have a nice balcony.
Wow, this room is much bigger than I expected.
You're right. The bed looks really comfortable.
And look at that balcony. The sea view is amazing.
I could sit there all evening.
We even have air conditioning. That's going to be useful.
Yes, and there's a minibar next to the TV.
The bathroom is nice too. It has both a shower and a bathtub.
Great. I usually prefer a shower, but it's nice to have both.
They left fresh towels and some toiletries for us.
That's convenient. Look, there's also a wardrobe for our clothes.
And a safe for our passports and money.
This room has everything we need.
I agree. I think we're going to enjoy our stay here. This beach is beautiful.
Yes, and the sun lounges are very comfortable.
I like the beach bar near the water.
Me too. We can get drinks there later.
Look at the palm trees. They make the place feel tropical.
And the sea view is incredible.
I can see people playing beach volleyball.
There's also a water sports center. We could rent a kayak.
That's a good idea. The hotel really has excellent facilities.
Yes, we have the beach, the swimming pool, the restaurant, and all these activities.
This was definitely the right hotel for our holiday.